Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. Okay, so finally here we are at KTM Langford and ये रही 2025 newly launched Duke 250 in black color. तो this is the bike. तो फिलहाल अभी हम लोग जाने वाले हैं इसकी टेस्ट ड्राइव पे. तो let's go. Alright. Alright, so let's go. Alright, तो अभी हम लोग निकल चुके हैं 2025 Duke 250 के साथ एंड चलाने में तो इट इज़ रियली टू डैम स्मूथ. सीरियसली इट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ. Oh, this has a quick shifter as well, तो we don't have to use the clutch because quick shifter में ही काम हो जाएगा. You can just have a look at that and quick shifter भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्मूथ है. ट्रस्ट मी, इट इज़ टू डैम स्मूथ. तो कहीं पर खड़ाएंगे कोने में और इसका एक बार ओवरऑल रिव्यू भी देंगे, वॉक अराउंड भी देंगे ड्यूक 250 का. तो लेट्स गो. सो कहीं शांत जगह पर खड़ाएंगे और इसका एक बार कंप्लीट शूट करेंगे. बट इट लुक्स टू डैम aggressive. Look wise and everything, it is aggressive. तो इधर ही कहीं पर खड़ा के we'll just have a walk around of the bike, of the vehicle and फिर उसके बाद आगे जाएंगे. Alright, तो ये रही Duke 250 in the black color which looks too damn great, and this was the color combination which everyone expected, and trust me ये जो color combination है one of the best so far in Duke 250. Alright, so the new thing, let's turn it off. Alright, so the new thing which has come up in the Duke 250 is the DRLs, the front DRLs, which is copied from the Duke 390 and filled with 15 liters of tank capacity, and इसका 5 inches का colored TFT as well with the headset pairing and stuff, and one-sided shock absorber with the underbelly exhaust. And फिर इधर पे they have even covered the जो pipe आ रहा है engine से, they have even covered that, and with the underbelly exhaust. And फिर just have a look at the tail tidy and this shape to cover as the mud guard. Just have a look at that. तो एक बार इसको ऑन कर कर चेक करते हैं. Ready to race. So this is, as of now it is in street mode, so you can have a look at the DRLs. Just have a look at that. But in black color, it's one of the best looking machines so far in Duke 250. तो tail light भी एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं आप लोग with the T-shaped tail light. And ये जो design use किया है, it is too damn good. Trust me, seriously, it's really great. And एक बार इसका exhaust note भी सुनते हैं. So let's just have a look at the exhaust note. So this is the exhaust note of the Duke 250. And इसके बाद जो भी इसके मोड्स हैं, तो just let's have a look at that. पूरा कंट्रोल इधर पे मिल जाएगा for the TFT display. So this is for the motorcycle ride mode. Ride mode में we'll have street. So ride mode में we have street and track mode. This is the street mode and ये रहा track mode. And so let's just keep it in street. And फिर ABS में we have the Supermoto mode and road mode. So let's keep this in the road mode. And इधर रहे basic bike के info, like the cooling temperature, fuel range, battery, audio, service and everything. ये रहा trip 1, trip 2, trip का information इधर पे रहेगा. This is the navigation, music which is connected by the Bluetooth. And इधर पे सारे settings में जाएंगे, favorite, quick selector, connectivity, तो you can connect in this. And उसके बाद पूरा आप लोग change कर सकते हैं. So this is the thing. And इसकी सीट भी cushion seat दी गई है, तो it is both for the rider as well as the pillion. And इधर पे cover करने के लिए they have even installed the guards to cover the tail light. So look wise it is too damn good. Trust me, seriously, it's too damn good for the look wise. One like for Duke 250. Which I don't have in my Duke is the hazard lights. You can have a look at that, which is completely inbuilt from the company. And even if by turning off the vehicle, the hazards remain on. You can just check that out. No one can अभी और कोई भी अंगली भी नहीं कर सकता इसमें after turning off the bike. So again, to turn it off, you'll have to turn the key on. इसके बाद ही you can turn it off. That's it. And इसका navigation का एक बार showroom जाने के बाद एक demo type of will show the video. Stay tuned. Alright, तो let's just go back to showroom now, क्योंकि एक walk around video तो हो गया है Duke 250 का, and थोड़ा बहुत राइड भी कर लेंगे showroom तक. Let's just take the advantages of the quick shifter. Like you can see, मेरा हाथ clutch पर नहीं है. It's in second gear, third gear. It's with the quick shifter as well as the slipper clutch. Left, right. and it is, trust me, too damn smooth. Seriously, too damn smooth. Left? Whoa, crazy vehicle. एंड यू कैन सी हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत ऑफ रोडिंग भी कर रहे हैं, जिसमें भी आराम से जा रही है. Just have a look at that, which is crazy. रोड प्रेजेंस भी बहुत ही सही है इस व्हीकल का. आई जस्ट विश दैट ये वाली होती मेरे पास ड्यूक. Alright, so we're done with the test drive now, and I don't know कब GoPro बीच में ऑफ हो गया था, तो let's just talk about the connectivity now. So just have a look at that. To connect with the Bluetooth, go to settings, connectivity, turn on Bluetooth, and इधर से you can pair your mobile. Now my phone is connected, MK iPhone. तो connect होने के बाद इधर पे you can attend the calls as well as decline the calls. वो भी एक बार वीडियो दिखाएंगे, but उससे पहले have a look at this. You can also control the music, volume up, volume down, back, next, pause, everything can be done from here. So एक बार कॉलिंग का भी एक बार दिखाएंगे, तो stay tuned. Alright, so you can have a look at this. You can attend the call from here and decline as well. So I'll just accept the call. In the new Duke segment, we get the premium key as well with the keycap with this feature, which is really great. And one more thing is, you can also charge your mobile C2C from this port, which is inbuilt from the company itself. Seriously, it's a loaded machine, and it kind of looks, this tank part, it kind of looks like the 790. It's my personal opinion. It looks like that to me. Even the seat height is reduced of the Duke 250, so it is somewhere around 800, 825. What's the seat height? 800 mm, right? Yeah, so it is 800 mm, so it has been reduced a bit compared to the previous one. So that is it. तो फिलहाल अभी सिनेमैटिक्स एंजॉय करो, तब तक लेट्स जस्ट गेट बैक होम.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.